So this is another new machine from M.O.M. We've had many requests for something similar over the last few years. So this is a bed or ridge former and a drip tape layer applicator in one pass. You can see here, this is a 2-row machine. We make a 4 and a 6-row as well. The width of the bed can be adjusted, well, made between 70 and 90 centimeters, depending on what you want. These tines at the front of the machine are optional. So if you have no crop residues or trash and your soil is very light, then you don't really need them. They're also adjustable in terms of depth. You can see underneath on the discs there are self-cleaning sort of metal shanks. If the soil is wet, keeps the beds in good shape. If you look up here, this is where your spool of drip tape will go. So it's adjustable depending on the manufacturer of tape. And then you have a sort of one-pass machine. So bed former and drip tape layer in one. This is the downpipe that lays the tape. It comes in 60mm and a 48mm size. As you can see, everything is adjustable in terms of height and settings. It's designed to be simple, easy to operate, easy to set up, and just work well. As everything we do at M.O.M, it's supposed to be simple and strong. As I mentioned, this is a 2-row machine, and in the shed here I'm going to show you the 6-row machine. So this is a 6-row machine, still being finished in the manufacturing shed. The principle and the design is the same. You can see it has the self-cleaning brackets on the discs, the tines. This is obviously more suitable for large-scale farmers. The 6-row would need about probably 120-130 horsepower tractor to pull it. 4-row, maybe 80 horsepower, and the 2-row, like this one here, 40 to 50 horsepower. This one's almost also ready. We plan to take these out in September, test them in the field, and there'll be some more videos showing how they work. You can see the bed height is adjustable there. The discs have springs to take up any bumps or contours in the soil, and the spools here are adjustable to fit any manufacturer's size of drip tape. So keep an eye out. We're looking forward to test this thing out. It's going to be not expensive and I think very successful. There's a lot more farmers now using drip with potatoes to get the quality, the skin finish, the uniformity inside. So if you grow potatoes and you want to try experiment using drip, send me a message and I'll send you some more information.